Y'all remember when they used to be like, look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a drone. More than likely, pretty soon, it's gonna be a lot of drones, all right? So that's why we keep checking out what they're capturing on camera. So this video here is drone camera caught something incredible. All right, so if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, join the fam. Just check it out.
Hello everyone. It's time for a new selection, which means that today you will experience a powerful surge of emotions and an eruption of feelings when you see the most incredible and mind-blowing videos. Let's get it on. Sometimes even...
Now the casinos is just getting over the top, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure, I know I am. When I go to the casino, bro, I don't need all the extras and everything. Give me my roulette table. Give Queen her little slot machines that she play. Give us somewhere to eat good and somewhere to sleep. We're perfect, bro.
Formula One drivers need a navigator. This wonder of the world is cooler than the pyramids.
Okay.
So, they can fly after all. Apparently, another rooster got back from work earlier than usual. This bird must be floating in the air. Because it can fly underwater. Experts say that this is an American dipper, and it can easily cover up to 65 feet by swimming, or rather, fliming.
Wow. Okay.
If you drop your phone there, think twice if you actually need it that much. And this is how they cut the heavy conductors. Wait, there's a better angle. Have you seen those straight lines on the water? They should have put floats on the wires, and we'd get an Olympic-sized swimming pool.
3, 2, 1.
This is how the US Navy ship was tested for resistance to underwater shocks. She passed.
Okay. I was wondering what they was doing, but I knew it had to be something controlled. That's what I like to see, baby.
Though the fish in this area clearly had a rough day. If you think your portion is too small, don't blame the restaurant right away.
These jokers, not only are they stealing, you know what I'm saying? Look, it's a bunch of them. Like, quick, before anybody see us. No, fam, we see you.
It's probably useless to ask this from Santa, but you try anyway.
If I show this to my son, oh, I would have to find that, bro. Nah, man, that thing probably expensive, way out of my price range, but bro, my son would sit there and play that all day. He'd fall asleep in there. He'd wake up, play some more, request can he eat in there so he can keep playing. He would never want to get out.
And here's a deleted scene from The Matrix, where Mr. Smith guards the secret entrance to Zion while waiting for Neo.
What the?
When a real estate agent promised you a great neighborhood, perfect for a family with kids. We all know perfectly well whose pet that is.
Wow.
My beer is frozen.
Wow.
We're certainly no experts, but this channel looks somewhat small for a submarine. Seriously though, this is the infamous K-19. She suffered several accidents even before she was commissioned, and then she survived several breakdowns and tragic accidents, and is now living out her life waiting to be scrapped.
Yep, you can see it.
Perhaps this is what single women see in their nightmares. And this looks like a nightmare to anyone. These constellations don't mean anything good.
Are all those gators? This wasn't caught by drone, but some of this stuff wasn't caught by drone, but it's still great footage nonetheless. I'm starting to think back through.
This is how safety glass is tested. And he gets paid for it.
Best job I ever had. Best job I ever had.
Best job I ever had.
Nothing unusual. Traffic police decided to expand their area of activity, and they began to draw markings in the sky.
What the?
Together with them, let's get ready to test one of the largest rockets in the world.
Now listen. Wait for it. Wait for it. Did you see the shockwave? Look on the ground.
Maybe that's the reason the speed of the Earth rotation increased to a record high in 2020.
Somehow I feel like they're too close. Anybody else feel like they too close? I mean, a guy can dream, can he? I don't blame him. Look at that.
This is how roads in Indonesia welcome newbies. Experienced locals know how to do it right. The guy obviously had some secret training. And here is his colleague from the recon team. It's non-flying weather, but she texted that her parents aren't at home.
You gotta have a plow on the front of that or something. Bro, if he don't have a plow on that and the Hummer did that, why? Everybody that lives up north, especially like people that was just in that crazy snowstorm that came through Buffalo, oh, they need Hummers.
On this bike trail, annoying car drivers will definitely not bother you.
This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. Yo.
Many probably recognize the Uyuni Salt Flat in Bolivia. People call it the place where the sky meets the earth, and it truly looks incredible.
Yes. Yes, it does. Wow.
check out this amazing footage of a volcano eruption in Iceland. The drone must have gotten scorched, but it really did its best.
That's a good drone. You see how close that just got? How? Bro, that's one of the most durablest, if that's a word, toughest, durable drone I've ever seen.
Like button if you held your breath watching this. And this is how they deliver the Christmas tree to the Durham Museum in Omaha.
Omaha. Can't help it.
Now, cleaning up after setting up the Christmas tree at home doesn't seem so tiring, does it? One of the most spectacular ways to unlock your phone.
Do he not know how much cell phones cost these days? I ain't doing that. I'm not, bro. The cell phones are like mortgage payments to get a cell phone these days, bro. No, I'm not chancing that.
It's scary to imagine the figures in their electricity bill.
That's fire. What the?
Did you know that you could win the main prize in this machine?
Sit there and do that all day. I'm just sitting here and be like, man, I'd never be able to get no work done.
Appreciate your friends because they are the ones who support you. You just saw about 3 million flamingos. Well, it's time to get back to work, buddy. Hit the like button if you had a great time. Tell us in the comments which video you liked the most, and see you soon.
Why is 3 million flamingos moving like that? Moving like that? Why are they even 3 million flamingos together like that?
You like movies but don't always find a couple of free hours? Subscribe to the Salty Pop.
That's the end of the video. Yeah, I'm confused. Somebody help me, let me know. It may be a reason we don't know, a reason why they're moving together like that. Do they normally do that? Because if not, that can mean something catastrophic is about to happen. That's the way my mind thinks. You know what I mean? But y'all get at me in the comment section, man. Let me know what you thought of this video. It wasn't all drones, But there was a lot of good things caught on camera. Till next reaction, I'm gone. Peace.